What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me here today. We have important Bitcoin updates. I'm going to go over my main pattern that I am currently trading. I'm going to show you some trade setups that you can get in immediately here. We're also going to look at a little bit more of a longer term perspective of what's happening here. We're going to zoom out and then we're going to hit DXY. This is all Elliott wave theory, guys, advanced Elliott wave concepts. Stick with me. You're going to learn something today. If you aren't using Elliott wave, I don't know what you're doing. It's a cheat code to trading. It truly is. Let's get right into this, guys. If you watched my last video, if you haven't watched my last video, go check it out. I go over multiple scenarios that can play out for Bitcoin at this point where we're at right now. I show you some bearish cases, I show you some bullish cases, I show you my main scenario. Everything's in that last video, so check that out. It was posted 4 days ago. I'm not going to go over all the scenarios. I'm just hitting my main scenario right now that I'm currently playing. So note that. Now, what are we currently experiencing for Bitcoin? This is the hourly time frame that we are on. Obviously, we built up quite a bit of a range here. I'm expecting, and I'm pretty confident, we're going to come tap the higher liquidity here. I do not want to see the high taken out, guys. I do not want to see the high taken out. If that gets taken out, I'm going to look at this as a finished wave. I'm still saying that we're in a big correction, and then we're going to come up for a finishing wave later. But if this takes the high out, okay, the wave was finished down here. We had an ABC, and then we finished the wave. That's just not what I'm playing, though. You're going to want to get into a long here. No matter what, if you take anything away from this video, you're going to want to be in a long. I posted in the premium Discord yesterday that I was hopping in short. I posted the alert, and we got this move down exactly as planned. Told you I was getting out around 62.3. I did close this trade out right down here around 62.9. Posted in the Discord that we closed. I fired another short bullet, also posted right here where we're at right now to get this last wave down and take out this liquidity. I will be flipping long right here at 62.3, 62.5, somewhere in that area, because I want to catch this wave 3 up. I think there's a great potential for upside here. There's so much liquidity up here. Whether it comes and taps the high, whether it comes and breaks the high, I want to be a part of it. So we're going to zoom in here and see what is developing. But first, just to give you some perspective as to where we are in the wave structure, I'm looking at as a big ABC, a big flat ABC. So in the middle here, so we have our first initial wave down. This is an A. This could be a correction, guys. This could be a direction. You can call this a W wave, X, Y, and we would look for a correction down. Correction down, correction up, and our C wave down. That's what I'm looking at. Or you can say it's an impulse down, correction up, impulse down. Either way, the same structure. I don't want to get into semantics here with you guys in the comments. So we have a correction up here. I have a flat correction, 2 up, 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 5 down. That's our second correction. I'm looking for 5 waves to the upside. Now, we put in our 1 wave already. You can either say the 1 wave's finished here, which is what I'm saying, or you could say it's finished here. If it's finished here and we have an ABC down, I would say we're coming to break the high. If you're calling that your finished wave, then yeah, we're coming to break the high. It needs to look like that for me. But with it finished here, looking for a flat correction to finish, it looks pretty symmetrical, not even breaking the high, something like that. So that's what I'm playing. Let's zoom in and see what the smaller time frames are saying. Now, I'm playing a flat correction, a correction down, correction up. You know, I love my flats. I'm looking for 5 waves down. I don't have 5 waves. Right now we have an ABC. So if you're saying it's finished here, you have an ABC down, it's a great long to be in right here. It's a great long. If you're long, I would stay in it. If you get stopped out, you get stopped out. You can re-enter. It's a great long to be in. But I'm saying this is our wave 4, and I want to impulse down to take out this lower liquidity for good, scare everyone a little bit, and then we go off to the races. That's what I'm playing here over the next day or two. Over the next day or two into the weekend, I want to see a turnaround here and then a correction, and then we can go off to the races Monday maybe. So That's what we're looking at, guys. Longing this general region around 62.3K for Bitcoin. And then we're going to take it up to this higher liquidity zone, upon which I will look to flip short up around all-time highs. I want to see this get taken out, these two levels. I want everyone to think we're going to break all-time high here and just go off to the races, and then it's going to dump and take out this lower liquidity, and then we can set our final wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to around 77, 78K, and that will be our final wave. As we zoom out, and stick with me, guys, this is important. As we zoom out, you can see we are right here. So I'm going to draw in the projection that we have. Boom, hit to a low, and then we put in our final wave. And that will complete our correction to the upside. We already have a correction to the downside. We have a correction to the upside that broke the high. I want to see a swing fail, and I want to impulse to the downside and scare the bejesus out of everyone. After this occurs, guys, crypto could die, crypto could moon. I'm saying we're going to moon. I need you to post in the comments down below. In 10 years, do you think crypto will be dead, or do you think crypto will be alive? I already know what I think. I want to hear what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. In 10 years, is crypto still with us, or is it dead? Let me know. So this is the overall structure we're playing, and guys, in the free Discord linked in the description below, I do have my long-term trade setups. Everything's posted there. It will change. I do post free alerts. There's a general chat. So, check out the Discord, guys. It's a great place to be. It's free. Just join it. Obviously, there's a premium option with the 24/7 live charts, the daily alerts. I have courses in here. I have indicators included in here. The premium's a great place to be, but if you want to get started, just join the free. So this is the general structure that we're in. I'm saying we're in a wave 4 right here that is not finished. It looks a little bit short and a little bit small to be wave 4. I want to see it extend out time-wise a little more to get more of that 4-wave look, and then we'll come spike the highs one more time, and then we dump. Let's take a look at DXY. If you guys are wondering what I use to trade, I use MEXC. Check them out, guys. It's no KYC, no VPN. They have literally 2,352 coins, 2,872 pairs. You can trade anything on MEXC. It's unbelievable. Lowest fees out of any exchange out there. Use the link in the description below. Check them out. You get 10% off fees with using the link, and you get up to a $1,000 bonus using the link. So check it out. Linked in the description below. Let's look at DXY. DXY is inversely correlated to Bitcoin. We all know this. This is what I have projected for DXY. We are on the daily time frame. I want to see believe it or not, DXY is tough for me. I'm not going to lie. But my best guess and my best projection is that we take out the lows when Bitcoin goes and takes out all-time high. That's just what I'm seeing. So we're going to mess around in here while Bitcoin messes around a little bit for its wave 4. When it goes for all-time high, you're going to see a dump in DXY. Take out the lows. When Bitcoin takes all-time high, you're going to see a massive pump in the form of 5 waves, which is going to coincide with Bitcoin's massive dump in the form of 5 waves. And then we can turn around and go, and DXY can dump. Okay? This is what looks good to me right now, guys. Confluence in the charts is always a good thing. I hope you got something out of this video. I hope you learned something. Watch my previous video to see multiple different scenarios, bullish and bearish, and you will get a clear picture on what the possibilities are. You got to always be prepared for anything, guys. I'll see you in the Discord. Subscribe if you're not already. Like the video. If you got something out of this, like the video. Comment down below, is crypto going to be dead in 5 years, or is it still going to be with us? In 10 years. Let me know. I'm so curious what you guys think. I appreciate y'all watching the video. Thank you. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.